Hi guys, today I'll be making pancakes using this Jaffle pot iron. I just picked this up from Coles. This was $2.80. It's a buttermilk pancake shake. So this is a ready to go mix. You add water, shake it up, and it's ready to go. And on top of that, I've got ground cinnamon. So I like cinnamon. I want to add the cinnamon. I'll show you what I do with that in a minute. Got banana, just one banana, and got some honey to top it off. I've got butter here somewhere. Yeah, I do have butter. And what else? And I've got sultanas, dried sultanas. Okay, let's get the ball rolling. So the first things first. So this pancake mix, it's gluten free. You have to fill it up to this level with water. So first I'll do that. But before I do that, I wanna mix the cinnamon. I wanna add the cinnamon into it beforehand. So yeah, that's enough. I think that's plenty. So cinnamon goes in there, and then I'll give it a shake. Right, give it a nice shake. All right. Now let's add the water. So the water level is up to here. There's a water level mark. So let's add the water. I really can't see how is that. It's coming up. Is that? Yeah. Oh! Okay, I just tapped it with my foot, but that's fine. Accidents happen. Okay. Oh, no, stay there. I'll fix it up. Yeah, that's fine. So it's windy, yeah? So that's why it's everything is harder to do. Okay. So that's ready to go. That's ready to go. Close this up. You have to give it a shake for 2 minutes. Give it a nice shake, please. And in the meantime, I'll get this going. So what I have to do, I have to pre-oil the this thing's picked up again, man. Okay, give me a sec. All right. So you have to pre-oil or pre-butter the Jaffle iron, otherwise it will stick. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the. So I want to use the butter for the top of the go on top of the pancake. Where's my thingy-bobby? Man, I'm losing everything today. Did you see that little spray, huh? I wanted to finish that up first. What? Oh, it's here. I'll put them there. No, I didn't. What's going on? Okay, we just have to use. Maybe we dropped it? They're coming up here. Doesn't matter, we'll find it when we find it. Okay, just maybe we'll find. Okay, so let's get the butter happening. Let's get the butter. I think I might have actually put it in the. It's in the rubbish. Oh, no. That's fine. I'll pick it up because it's sealed anyway. That's finished anyway. That's fine. So now, first thing is first. We have to get the butter. So we got to get the butter first. The wind's picked up a lot. Okay, get the butter. You don't want to put like too much, but you want to put just enough. I'll show you, like that. Right, and then take it off the heat. And just shake it up like this. Make sure it goes all the corners, and then upside down. So what you're doing, you're actually buffering the whole thing. And then turn this down. Alright, let's get the mix. Let's get the mix. Bring the mix. Open up, please. See that? Yeah. Go until I'll say stop. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, 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 keep. Stop. Perfect. Perfect. Now. So what I've done, I've turned it down all the way. No, that's fine. It's uneven surface. That's why. So I've turned it all the way down. We're just gonna. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Oh, sultanas! No way. Sultanas. If you can give me a handful, I'll just add them on top. Oh, it's looking good. Can open it. Actually, I'll grab it now. Oh, it's not open. Is it open? It is. Yeah, that's fine. And then the sultanas just go on top. Like that. You don't want to put too much. I think that's good. Yeah. So that's why I'm not closing it fully. I want it to cook and then I'll turn it. But given that it's the heat's low, it's low heat now. That's a good sign. So we know that it's not going to burn. Oh, I had a plastic plate. Yes, we need that. We need the plate. I'm going to plate it up for you guys. Oh, you get so many. You get at least maybe 2, 3 out of this. Again, please. So I didn't realize it's my fault. It's actually expanding. It's expanding. Yeah. That is the problem. What do I do if I tilt it? Oh, nah. You have to put less. Oh man, it's dripping. Where did we go wrong? Oh, no good. No good stuff that. I need to flip it upside down, but I'm just scared it's all just gonna run off, you know. But I have to do it. I have to do it. Oh man. Yeah, no, it's alright. It's alright. Might have just saved this dog. Puppy.
How's it going to taste?
Well, I can't open it now because the bottom's still wet. The bottom needs to cook, yeah? Yeah, you see, things aren't as easy as it seems in the wild. But yeah, given that we've got this beautiful view, can't really complain. Oh, it's tough, man. The wind just makes it so much more harder. Next time, I'm going to try to pick a place where there's very little wind. It's killing us. Because every time I try to flip it, it just this shield just moves. Need to find another solution for that. What, done?
Yeah, just wait a second.
Nah, more. Nah, so this side's still wet. This side's still moist. Still needs to cook more. Man, this is turning out to be harder than I thought. No way. So you don't fill it up too much if you're using this Jaffle pot, cast iron Jaffle pot. Yeah, you go a little bit less because it just expands. It just froths up. Let's see. Oh, you can smell it, yeah? Oh, it's looking good. No, it's stuck. Ah, please, man. I didn't want it to get stuck, please. Last thing I want is this thing to be stuck, please. Oh, might need to eat this off the plate, off the pot. Even though I put quite a bit of butter in there, still looks like it's still got stuck. Interesting. So I think, like, if I ever try this again, what I'll do, I'll go heavy with like vegetable oil inside this this mix. I think that's done. Pretty sure that's done. I don't want to burn it. It's done, but it's stuck. That makes sense. I'll take it off, otherwise it's going to burn. Give it one more minute. Ah, no good. This is hard, man. This is hard. Okay, that's done. Now, let's get the... Everything is just hard, isn't it, today?
Yeah.
Okay. So you gotta hit it so it comes off. I don't know if it's gonna come off this thing. Nah, it doesn't look like it. Where's the... Is it clean? I just washed this. Ah, it's stuck, you dog. But it's cooked. It's cooked, but it's stuck. Makes sense? Ah!
That's not too bad.
Oh, the bottom's burnt. No way. No way. Subway, eat fresh. The bottom's burnt. But it is cooked. But it does smell nice. Alright, let's get it on the plate. Yeah, the bottom's burnt. Let's check the top. Man, this is really hard to do. The top's burnt too. It's all stuck. Oh! Man, I'm not going to do this again. This is hard. Oh, man, come on, get off. All right, let's taste it. Not much we can do. Let's taste it. Ah, disappointing, man. It's for the birdies. Let's taste it a bit. Just the way it is. Not bad. Do you think it needs some honey?
Yeah.
Let's get... This is... Well, I've got one more batch to do and that's it. I don't know if I should do that. It's just stuck pretty bad. Yeah, sometimes we should have left that upside down. That's fine. Hello. Where's the... Maybe we'll eat with these. Here. Is it coming out? Okay. How about some butter on top, nah? Yeah, it didn't really turn out the best. It's not coming out. Okay, let's give it a try. Where's my butter? Come. That outdoor cooking at its finest. All right, now let's dig in. Get some of that. Get some of that sultanas and the honey, and let's see. Not bad. Not bad. It's not like a pancake parlor grade, but it will fill you up. It will get you going. Got one more batch to do. It's okay. I'm just upset that that side got done. Yeah, dig in, man. Dig in. So one part turned out to be like almost perfect. I mean, I'm gonna eat it with my hands. It's hard to like break it. Try it with some butter.